Hello everyone. We've got some exciting updates to share this month that you've all been waiting for. Let's dive right in. First up, we have some fantastic enhancements to our Intune integration. Now, iOS and macOS devices are supported. This means you can sync user information seamlessly and filter devices based on sync conditions. Now on to asset barcode and QR code customization. You can now enjoy advanced customization for your barcode and QR code labels. This allows you to include asset fields, logos, and other important details. Personalization just got a lot easier. In our CMDB enhancements, we are rolling out fine-grained access control. This means you can manage permissions more effectively, keeping your data secure. Last but not least, we have some updates for the change module. We now support stage-wise approvals, enclosure rules, and you can apply form rules to inline forms at all stages except the submission stage. Plus, we've added default custom scripts for both the request and the change modules. Thanks for tuning in and stay tuned for the next month's exciting updates.
Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to talk about some of the Microsoft integration capabilities that we have got with ServiceDesk Plus on-premise. Let's start off with Teams integration. ServiceDesk Plus has got a Teams integration where we can actually have ServiceDesk Plus application published as a bot to all your end users and technicians in your organization. Using this bot, users and technicians can interact with it, can create tickets, can chat with the technicians, can search for the tickets, perform approvals, as well as get notified about any tickets that are assigned to their own channels when it is assigned to a support group. And the another app that we use on a day-to-day basis with Microsoft applications is Outlook, where you can have ServiceDesk Plus integrated with Outlook. You can have actionable messages also be published, where you can do actions on tickets from your Outlook mailbox right into ServiceDesk Plus application. The next feature that we are going to talk about now will be Outlook add-on. ServiceDesk Plus allows you to give you an option to publish the application as an add-on to your Outlook mailbox, using which you can actually convert an email from Outlook to a ticket and as well as get to know the request list view then and there on your Outlook mailbox without having to log into ServiceDesk Plus on another browser window. The next feature that we are going to talk about will be integration with Microsoft 365. You know that in ServiceDesk Plus, we can actually manage assets and softwares. But when we talk about Azure, in order to get your subscription details from your Azure tenant, we can use Microsoft 365 integration for it, where you can get in the subscription details, the users that are assigned with the subscriptions, and also the licenses consumed by the users can also be shown as a pictorial representation. That's it for today. We will see you in the next episode. Thank you.